Looking for the best food chopper but not sure which one actually makes meal prep easier? Welcome back to USA Smart Shop. Today I'm reviewing 5 of the best food choppers you can buy right now. We'll look at chopping performance, ease of use, cleaning, and overall value so you can save time in the kitchen without picking the wrong one. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Fullstar, the original Pro Chopper, vegetable chopper and spiralizer, food chopper with container, fruit slicer, kitchen gadgets and gifts, home essentials. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper is one of those kitchen gadgets that a lot of US buyers have probably seen all over TikTok or Amazon, and for good reason. It's best known for being a time-saving meal prep tool that replaces a knife for a lot of everyday tasks. In the US market, this is especially popular with people trying to cook more at home, busy families, meal preppers, or anyone trying to eat healthier without spending an hour chopping vegetables. What really makes this stand out is the multi-blade system and built-in container. Instead of chopping on a cutting board, everything drops directly into the container. That means less mess, faster prep, and fewer dishes. For US households where time matters, especially weeknight cooking, that's a big win. In real-world use, this is perfect for things like prepping salads for the week, dicing onions without the mess, cutting vegetables for stir-fry or tacos, making quick meal prep containers. Number 2. Once for all safe Mandolin Slicer 5-in-1 vegetable chopper food potato cutter, strips julienne dicer adjustable thickness 0.1 to 8 mm kitchen chopping artifact fast meal prep. The Once for All Mandolin Slicer is what many US buyers would consider a precision slicing tool. Unlike the Fullstar, which focuses on chopping and dicing, this is all about thin, even slices and speed. In the US market, Mandolin Slicers are popular with people who cook more seriously or want restaurant-style presentation at home. If you've ever tried to slice potatoes evenly for fries or cucumbers for salads with a knife, you already know how hard that is. This tool solves that problem. What makes this specific model stand out is the adjustable thickness control. You can go from super thin slices to thicker cuts, depending on what you're cooking. That flexibility is a big deal for American kitchens where people cook a wide variety of meals, from salads to baked dishes. In real-world US use, this is great for slicing potatoes for homemade fries or chips, prepping vegetables for meal prep bowls, cutting cucumbers, zucchini, or onions evenly, making restaurant-style dishes at home. One of the biggest strengths is speed and precision. Once you get used to it, you can slice a whole batch of vegetables in minutes, much faster than using a knife. Another advantage is the safety-focused design. Traditional mandolins are known for being risky, but this type is built to reduce direct blade contact, which is important for home users. Now, the downsides. This tool is more specialized. It doesn't dice or chop like the Fullstar, it slices. Also, there's a learning curve. If you've never used a mandolin before, it can feel awkward at first. And while it's safer than older designs, you still need to be careful. Number 3. Mueller, the real original Pro Chopper since 2013 vegetable chopper mandolin slicer, 8-blade food veggie chopper onion vegetable cutter with container, kitchen gadgets and essentials. The Mueller Pro Chopper is one of the most recognized vegetable choppers in the US, and it's best known for being a multifunctional, all-in-one prep tool that saves serious time in the kitchen. What sets this apart in the US market is its 8 interchangeable blades. You're not just chopping, you're slicing, dicing, julienning, and grating with one tool. That kind of versatility is why it's so popular with American home cooks trying to prep meals quickly during busy weekdays. In real-world US use, this shines for meal prepping large batches. Think chopping onions for chile, slicing vegetables for salads, or prepping ingredients for tacos or stir-fry. It can cut prep time dramatically. Some users even report saving hours when cooking for families. One of the biggest strengths is efficiency. The container catches everything, reducing mess, and the blades create consistent cuts, which actually helps food cook more evenly. It's also dishwasher safe, which fits perfectly with how US kitchens prioritize convenience. But here's the honest downside. This is still a manual push-style chopper, so harder vegetables like potatoes require force. Some users also mention that hinge-style designs can wear over time depending on usage. Who should buy this? US families doing weekly meal prep. People cooking frequently at home. Anyone who wants maximum versatility in one tool. Who should not buy this? Casual cooks who rarely prep vegetables. Users with limited hand strength. People who prefer electric tools. Bottom line. This is a high-value, all-in-one prep tool. Buy it if you want speed and versatility. Skip it if you want something effortless or automatic. Number 4. SpaceHacks 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, kitchen gadgets with 7 blades, veggie, food, onion chopper, cucumber slicer, versatile mandolin, includes egg separator and finger guard. The SpaceHacks 12-in-1 chopper is what many US buyers would call a budget-friendly multi-tool kitchen gadget. It's designed to offer a lot of features for people who don't want to spend much but still want versatility. In the US market, this type of product is popular with beginners, renters, or anyone setting up a new kitchen. You get multiple blades plus extras like an egg separator and safety guard, which makes it feel like a complete starter kit. In real-world use, this works well for light to moderate meal prep. It can handle salads, basic vegetable cutting, and simple dishes without needing multiple tools. For small households or occasional cooking, it does the job. One of the biggest strengths is value and variety. You're getting multiple cutting styles in one compact setup, which is helpful if you're still figuring out what you need in the kitchen. But here's the trade-off. Build quality is usually not as strong as premium brands. Blades can dull faster, and the overall feel may not be as sturdy. It's functional, but not built for heavy, long-term use. Who should buy this? US buyers on a tight budget. Beginners or new apartment setups. People who want a multi-tool starter kit. Who should not buy this? Frequent cooks. Users who want long-term durability. Anyone prepping large quantities. Bottom line. This is a budget entry-level option. Buy it for affordability and variety. Skip it if you want durability. Number 5. Bartnelli Vegetable Chopper Food Slicer Pro 15PC Multifunctional Kitchen Gadgets for Onion, Veggie, Cheese Grater, Vegetables Cutter with large container, easy to clean, with bonus brush and fork. The Bartnelli Vegetable Chopper is positioned in the US market as a feature-packed, mid-range option. It's best known for offering a large set of attachments and accessories while still keeping things relatively affordable. In real-world US kitchens, this works well for people who cook regularly but want more flexibility than basic models. The multiple attachments allow you to slice, dice, grate, and prep a wide range of foods, from vegetables to cheese. One of the biggest strengths is the 15-piece setup. You're getting a lot of tools in one package, including cleaning tools and a larger container, which makes it easier to prep bigger meals. Another advantage is ease of cleaning and organization. Many US buyers appreciate that it includes accessories like brushes and storage-friendly components. Now, the downside. Like many multi-piece kits, not every attachment gets used regularly. Some parts may feel unnecessary, and switching between blades can slow things down. Minimalists who want a simple tool. Buyers who prioritize durability over features. People who don't want to deal with multiple attachments. Bottom line. This is a feature-heavy mid-range option. Buy it if you want variety and flexibility. Skip it if you want simplicity. That's my breakdown of the top food choppers available right now. Some are better for quick everyday use, while others handle bigger prep jobs with ease. If this helped you out, check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe to USA Smart Shop for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Thanks for watching.